It's October, which for many of us is a spooky time of year. I'm talking haunted house, gory ghosts, and that creepiest thing of all, candy corn. I mean, what is that? Like, seriously, what is candy corn? It tastes like wax. It's 3 colors, but it's all the same flavor. But to be honest, I'd rather skip ahead past Halloween and embrace the American holiday we all call Thanksgiving. So let's just stop, you know? Be thankful for the many top offers, blessings that blessed us during this time of year, this blessed time, a time to being demure, you know? Like, I'm thankful for everyone out there that's, you know, watches these. I'm thankful for you guys. I'm thankful for all the things that we have to, you know, that you guys put up. Oh my God! Ah! Dylan! Jesus Christ! Okay, I guess we're sticking with the scary theme for now, and you'll be shocked at how good these mostly digital offers on ClickBank are for the month of October. Okay, let's dive into them, shall we? At number 5, we have a brand new offer from world-renowned hypnotist Aaron Surtees. Really? A hypnotist? We're really going to do a hypnotist? Unleash the power of wealth hypnosis with Neural Wealth, a product that uses groundbreaking epigenetic activation techniques to reprogram the mind for financial success. This product is an ideal fit for audiences with an interest in business opportunities and make money online opportunities, personal development, new age, spiritual growth. As a Neural Wealth affiliate, you'll enjoy up to 90% commissions with the potential for $223 for sale. Now that's scary. You've got plenty of high converting email swipes with them. They got great banner images to help you with this one. So visit their marketplace listing today to find out more. Now, let's talk about these numbers. It's got an EPC of 11 cents, an average payout value of $59.17, and a hot conversion rate of 0.25%. Now you're thinking, oh my gosh, that EPC is really spooky. It's really low. It might shake your chair. But let's just talk about the month we're in. It's a scary month. It's right before an election, you know? But it's also scary for buying ads and all that. It's really up and down, but it also is a newer offer. And it's a newer offer that's digital. And when you have a digital offer, a lot more affiliates promote it because the entry level to promoting it is a lot lower. But the ones who are actually having success on it are seeing EPCs closer to 65 to like 65 to 70 cents. So go, promote it. Now, at number 4, we got Pineal XT, which is the first ever supplement that combines manifestation health and specifically the health of the pineal gland. Now you're probably wondering, what is a pineal gland? I don't know, but I will tell you what's in the ingredient. It's a unique blend of natural and rare ingredients like iodine, chaga mushroom, and schisandrum powder to supercharge the pineal gland and promote overall well-being. So what is a pineal gland? I don't know, but I can tell you why affiliates love Pineal XT. Maybe it's the product's incredible $150 average payout on an optimized funnel that has undergone more than 100K in split testing. Say that 5 times fast. Also, with a huge day 0 payout, you'll also enjoy rebills with Pineal XT for a big boost for your lifetime earnings. Does that sound interesting? Are you still wondering what a pineal gland is? Well, let me tell you about the EPC. That EPC is 35 cents, an average payout value of with an average payout value of $156.18 and a hot conversion rate of 0.26%. And that's doing that, once again, in a tough month. But I can tell you, the top affiliates are making a ton of money on this. So go, promote it, test it. Great offer for this time of year. Gonna take a quick break and we'll get on to the next top offer in just a second. But just want to tell you, for those out there who may be watching these and be like, man, I just can't get this to work. I'm this close. I just feel like I'm this close. If I just learned what I didn't know, I'd get it. Well, we got something for you. We have our top platinum affiliates that are taking time out of their busy schedules to help coach you. We have this amazing one-on-one coaching program that we've helped develop with the best platinum affiliates, and they're gonna be the ones helping you in the trenches, seeing what they're seeing, and help you get over that hump and converting on all these top offers. So you can watch this video and be like, yeah, I know that's converting, instead of, man, is that converting for everyone? So go, click that link, find out what you're missing. Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Ted's working. It's Ted's Woodworking. I couldn't really get the woodworking in there because it would change the syllables. But it's Ted's Woodworking at number 3. And this one is one of the original low-ticket digital offers on ClickBank. It's now more than 12 years old. Like, think about that. There are kids in junior high that are younger than this, but it's still converting. It's even hit the number 1 on our digital product rankings many times. And why? The product grabs attention with its bold hook of 16,000 woodworking plans. I can't even count that high. Right now, email marketers, Facebook media buyers, and native ad buyers are seeing the most success with Ted's Woodworking. And if you think you might have an audience for it, which guaranteed you do, this is a product worth testing, so go promote it today. And why? EPC, 91 cents, an average payout value of $71.87, and a hop conversion rate of 1.36%. It is an amazing product during this time because anyone who wants to not focus on their weight as they're eating Halloween candy, not focus on the election, and wants to be bettering themselves in some way. And it's great. It's a great DIY project. I even built this table. Actually, I didn't build this table, but I wish I did. So go, promote it. In our runner-up spot, I've got the lost generator for you. I found it. I found it. Would you believe it? With its unique DIY electricity generator blueprints inspired by the myth, the man, the legend, Thomas Edison himself, customers get a hands-on, step-by-step experience in how to generate electricity that can serve as a backup power source for any emergency or off-grid situation. Kind of, if you look around it, with the way climate change is, you kind of need it. Are you excited for this brand new 2024 survival offer? I almost forgot what year it was. But I found that year, and I found the generator, and they're proven to convert well on cold traffic with a low refund rate and a high average payout of more than $50. Affiliates earn a spine-tingling 80% per front-end sale with opportunities for CPA payouts, commission bumps for high-volume affiliates. I mean, you'll get access to extensive resources like email swipes, banners, product images, PPC ads, and more. There's a ton there, so go flip on the profits with the Lost Generator, and it's available now to promote in ClickBank's marketplace. So, EPC, $1.72, an average payout value of $50.90, and a hot conversion rate of 4.17%. I mean, woo! Now, asterisk time. Those are super high, and so that tells me that that is converting on a lot of email, either email traffic or Google ads traffic. So if you're promoting this on Facebook or on native or on YouTube, just expect that hop conversion rate to go down, but even if it goes down by half, you're still making good money on a really good digital offer. And from what we're hearing, the CPMs and CPCs for digital offers are a lot lower. So go, promote it, make some money. And speaking of money, join me in welcoming the Money Wave to the top of our best of the rest top offers list. And I want to call it best of the rest, I'd say the best of the best. This is a very new high converting digital product offer that's seeing huge success on ClickBank. You'll appreciate a high conversion rate and a solid EPC with this digital product, which is all about sound wave technology that unlocks your inner genius. I mean, look at me. I mean, how much smarter can I get after this, right? Just like with some of our top supplements, the Money Wave has a lot of potential to scale sales just for you. It also comes with a ton of fantastic email swipes and an optional whitelisting for higher commissions and an average payout of just under $50. I mean, whew, that's nice. There's a lot more room for this offer to run, trust me. So check out their affiliate tools page, give it a try, and here's why. EPC, $1.25, an average payout value, $49.25, and a hot conversion rate of 2.99%. I mean, woo! As amazing as just go. Promote that bad boy right there. I mean, that is a great offer. And that was your best of the rest on ClickBank for the month of October. And I have to say, they're selling like crazy for media buyers right now, so get out there. You're gonna wanna get some of that action. Whew. Is that it? I don't see anything left on the script, so I think we're good.
Money!
Oh my God! We're gonna need to get some new riders.